How to replace a CRUZbelt end pulley. Items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Remove the shrouds, one on each side. Pull out the locking pins in the cams, one on each side. Loosen the belt tension by turning the cam with a 3/8 inch ratchet with extension. Remove the end pulley by pushing in the axle. Install the end pulley. Place a putty knife between the axle and the side rail to wedge the axle in position. Use a screwdriver to help guide the axle in place. Check the end pulley position by inspecting the axle position on each side to make sure it is through the orange guard and the belt is not pinched or folded. To tension the belt, turn the cam until you feel feedback tension. The cam must be vertical and aligned on both sides. Reinstall the locking pins on each side. The cam position must be vertical on each side. The cam position must be vertical and aligned on each side. Reinstall the shrouds, one on each side. For more maintenance videos, visit MHS-Conveyor.com.